Alright, so based on some input, sounds like getting a torque wrench on these spark plugs is probably a really good idea. So I picked up a Precision Instruments torque wrench, 3/8 inch. And here she is, sitting pretty. A little bit different than a typical ratcheting torque wrench, but style there, and then a 3/8 inch right there. So let's get in there and see what the plugs look like. And we're just pinch and pull, kind of like you're doing breaking a carrot. This has a rating in inch pounds or pound inches. So we will go to 216, which is 18 foot-pounds. So 18 times 12 is 216. So we'll get this out of here. And put this on. All right. And just slowly does it. 200, 210, 216 on the dot. Sure. Put that to the side, be gentle with it. This is already lubed up. 190, 200, 210, 215, 216. $200, 210, 216. All right, I'll let you know a little secret. All those were down to about 200 already. That's not what I originally torqued them down to. So best to do a torque wrench because I was way off, and we're going to see how off we are when I do this one right here. So let's see what this number 4 was actually torqued at. We had about 40 inch pounds. So 3 pounds, 3 foot-pounds or so. That gets us to about 140. So now we're around 11. All right. 200.
Now
210. And 216. Alright, torque spec here is 8.7 foot-pounds, which is 104 inch pounds. So just hand tight. Alright, 104. And just a shy past 100. And yep, 104. And 100, 104. And 104. Okay. So pretty light there on that one. Now we're going to grab our Swiss tools again. Get our orange 5mm. Get this cover back on. All right, good to go.